Today I have Honda Accord 2013 model, all key lost. I'm going to program it by launch door. Okay, I'm going to program it two remote, one remote, one without remote. So I cut the key already. Let's try it by launch door. So we go to the Honda, then we go to the Asia and Honda Accord 2008 plus, all key lost. Switch ignition off. Okay, so put the key, switch ignition on. How many key you need it? Just put it 1 2 3. How many I need it? 2. Okay, switch ignition off, switch ignition on, switch ignition off, switch ignition on with the new key. So I have one more key, put the key, switch ignition on, switch ignition off, switch ignition on without replace keys. Okay, off, on. Immobilizer light is, yes, immobilizer light is off. Yes, off. Switch ignition off, on. Complete of the program. Keys is 2 keys already program it. Okay, so press OK. Program complete. Okay, and now we can try the remote first. It's working. Okay, we can start the car by first key, the remote key. Then we can try to start by the another one also. As you see, start it and check the door lock. Just lock and unlock it. Okay, this Honda Accord 2013 model.